With worldwide efforts to make automobiles more environmentally friendly, improvements in fuel economy and performative tailpipe emissions are being increasingly sought after. In order to realize more environmentally friendly engines, surface roughness measurement is becoming more important. A CNC surface roughness measuring instrument contributing to improvements in high accuracy and productivity engine parts by automating its surface roughness measurement. Surfcom C5. There are many surface roughness measuring locations in the engine. Since there are various workpiece profiles, measuring manually takes a great deal of time. Surfcom C5 increases work efficiency by automating roughness measurement work. For example, in the bores of cylinder blocks, the measurement for approximately 48 locations is required. It takes more than 70 minutes for manual measurement. But the introduction of Surfcom C5 enables measurement to be done in half the time or less. What's more, since the measurement programs are automated, it only needs to be started by an operator and doesn't require supervision. Surfcom C5 realizes a flexible measuring by controlling 5 axes. With the MX axis having adopted a linear motor in the tracing driver, vibration is reduced even with high-speed movement. Up and down, right and left, 4 directions of movements are made possible by the theta axis rotation. Furthermore, measurement of the MY axis is also possible. The setup of the workpiece is simple, improving throughput. Even with more complicated profiles, the instrument can be customized according to the workpiece, resulting in automatic measurement. This is an optimal model for measurement of a camshaft and crankshaft. In addition to the standard pickup, the thin type pickup is mounted. It is possible to measure the entire surface of the pin and journal surface of the crankshaft. Various fixtures, such as the adjusting table, are individually designed depending on the workpiece profile. If the pickup changers are used, further work efficiency becomes possible. In this way, Surfcom C5 can automate the measuring work at an optimum level by customizing the workpiece to be measured. Acritech is contributing to the realization of a society where the environment and automobiles can coexist by developing precision measuring instruments to perfectly fit our customers' needs.